ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಗಣೇಶಾಯ ನಮಃ. ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ನಾರಾಯಣೀಯಂ. ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣಾಯ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣೇ ನಮಃ. ದಶಕಂ 50 ಶ್ಲೋಕ 9. ಸಪದಿ ಸಹಜಾಂ ಸಂದ್ರಷ್ಟುಂ ವಾಮೃತಾಂ ಖಲು ಪೂತನಾಂ ಅನುಜಮಘಮಪ್ಯಗ್ರೇ ಗತ್ವಾ ಪ್ರತೀಕ್ಷಿತುಮೇವ ವಾ ಶಮನನಿಲಯಂ ಯಾತೆ ತಸ್ಮಿನ್ ಬಕೆ ಸುಮನೋ ಗಣೇ ಕಿರತಿ ಸುಮನೋ ವೃಂದಂ ವೃಂದಾವನಾತ್ ಗೃಹಮಯ್ಯಥಾಃ. Word by word meaning. Mritam Sahajam, his dead sister. Putanam, Putana. Sapadi Sandrashtum, Khalu, perhaps to see quickly. Va, or. Agre Gatva, going first. Anujam, Agam, Api, his younger brother Aga also. Pratikshitum, Eva, to await alone. Tasmin Bake, when that crane. Shamana Nilayam, to the abode of Yama. Yate, went. Sumanu Gane, when the host of gods. Sumanu Vrindam, heaps of flowers. Kirati, showered. Vrindavanath, from Vrindavana. Griham, Ayyathaha, thou didst go home. Full meaning. When that crane went to the abode of the god of death, as if to see his dead sister Putana quickly, or to await the arrival of his younger brother Aghasura, and the gods showered heaps of flowers, thou didst go home from Vrindavana. Om Tat Sat.